Welcome to Performance Livestock Analytics. My name's Alina Riley. I'm our communications specialist. Today, I'm going to go over with you how to get your performance beef account registered and set up for your operation. First thing you'll want to do is head on over to performancebeef.com to register your account. Here you will select New User and follow the prompts to enter your name and address. Next, you will enter your billing information. If you have a dealer code, you may enter that now. Please note, if you select to pay the 1-year subscription, you do save 10%. Now that you have your account created, we're ready to get your operation entered. Our first step is adding feed ingredients. This includes all the different feeds you use, such as dry corn, earlage, silage, and hay. On the left-hand side, there's a gray sidebar where you will select Feed. Hit Add Feed in the upper right-hand corner, and now you will enter your feed name, cost per ton, and percent dry matter. As an option, you may enter how much of that feedstuff you have left in weight remaining. Specify an amount in Inventory Alert to receive a notification when you are low on that feed. Next, we will be entering the rations. On the gray sidebar on the left-hand side, select Rations, and in the upper right-hand corner, select Add Ration. Here you'll enter the ration name, then enter each feedstuff as percent as fed. Be sure to enter all rations you are currently using. In the sidebar on the left-hand side, click Pens. In the upper right-hand corner, click Add Pens. Here you will give each pen a pen name or pen ID, and then a pen type. Please note that pens are the names of the physical location around the farm and not the groups of cattle in them. Any location on your farm that you feed cattle needs to be entered as a pen. For example, if you feed any cattle on pasture, you can simply enter that pen as pasture. All pens on your farm should be entered now, even if there are no cattle in them. Now we can enter the cattle under their group IDs. This will be each group of cattle on your farm. For this, you will hit Overview in the gray sidebar on the left-hand side. Then select plus or minus head and hit Added. Here you will enter the information in the corresponding sections. Now we will enter the ration and targeted feed amounts. On the left sidebar, click Overview. Here you should have the current pens you are feeding. Under Drop 1, you will enter the ration for the first feeding in that pen. Under the ration, you will enter the feed amount in pounds. Please note you can deliver to multiple pens with a single load. On the gray sidebar, click Delivery, and then click Add Load. Here you will select what pen you are delivering feed to. Then select what drop it is for that day, first or second. Once you select Save, it will bring you back to the delivery home screen, where you can then change the ration for that pen if needed. If you accidentally entered them into the system in the wrong order, simply select Reorder in the upper left-hand corner. Move them into the right order based on pens, then click Save. Entering the information in this order allows for easy and organized data entry. This is a one-time entry, but does allow for you to go back and edit any of your information, like your feeds and rations. If you have any additional questions, feel free to follow the link to the blog for more information, or contact one of our specialists at 515-337-2187.